Ready for a blank fire shooting? Welcome back everyone, I'm Spandan Mishra and today on my channel I have brought you my new science project which I call the CS Mark 17. I named this project in such a way because I want it to sound cool. But actually the project is all about the power of oxyhydrogen that we are deriving from a simple procedure of water electrolysis from which per 2 molecule of water we get 2 molecules of hydrogen gas and 1 molecule of oxygen gas. As we know from all known elements on the periodic table, hydrogen gas has the fastest combustion rate and it could burn with a flame speed of 2800 meters per second, and this is the rate at which the gas expands. And if we do the combustion inside a closed chamber, then the temperatures could rise up to 2000 degrees Celsius. For which I thought that if we can use this exothermic thermal energy to accelerate a projectile, it would be a very fun project. So here is our electrolysis chamber and this is our combustion and propulsion system. So I switch on the electrolyzer. You can see we have instant electrolysis. We are getting hydrogen and oxygen gas which is mixed up to form oxyhydrogen. We start the timer for 2 minutes so that the gas is properly accumulated inside the combustion chamber. So we see that the timer has been for 2.5 minutes and there is sufficient amount of fuel inside the combustion chamber. Now we close the backflash arrestor and disconnect the electrolysis chamber. So there is no risk of exploding the chamber. So now we have enough gas inside the chamber and this is the igniter and there is a projectile inside it, which for instance is a steel ball. So time for test fire. So we saw that this is the power of oxyhydrogen, and you also know that how we can utilize it for fun projects, as well as it is a solution for all the alternatives we are striving for in the current generation of energy crisis. Thank you.